Simple lang naman, ano yung ayaw natin at ano yung gusto natin? Ang ayaw natin ng mabagal. Ayaw natin ng masakuna. At ayaw natin ng langit lupa. Ang gusto natin, matatag, maginhawa, at panatag na buhay. So this Section G Jobs Blueprint is anchored to the Ambition natin 2040, and my presentation will zoom in on the retail trade. So sa retail, as what Prof. Ronnie mentioned earlier, kasama dyan yung mga traditional retail, no? Your sari-sari, your palengke or wet market, and then your modern retail. Of course, you have your supermarket, groceries, hypermarket, discounters, and sa specialized retail naman, yung mga liquor stores, pharmaceuticals, health and beauty, and kasama din dito sa retail yung e-commerce. So, as what Prof. Ronnie also mentioned earlier, although hindi kasama specifically under wholesale and retail, the malls are a part of the ecosystem because most retailers are also located inside the malls.